Tricky bastard though. Impossible to go into second in your first attempt if this isn't your bike. Wearing riding boots was a great idea right now. This shifter is so hard. The shift guard is really doing me wonders right now. The horn isn't working great. It was working a while ago, now it's not working. And Aryan, I promise I did not do anything, it just stopped. I guess I'll just have to use the engine. Which is no hardship really, but it makes you look like a bit of a clot. Oh yes, what a lovely sound! Oh yes! Oh, the fireworks! Oh! I really hope my mic is picking all this up, man. It sounds so good. Oh, the overrun, oh yes. If you want to get from point A to point B without being noticed, this is not the bike to do it in. You're better off with a bulldozer or a tank, both of which will cause less attention than the noise this is making. If you leave the sound out of the equation, this is actually quite a chill bike. Traffic, it's alright. I mean, the sound is making me very conspicuous, and while I like the exhaust sound, I wouldn't want to live with it on a day-to-day basis. And I think on a long ride it would make me a bit mad. First of all, I haven't ridden this bike much, so it's not, I don't have like natural control over it like I do with my own bike. Second of all, this Benelli has no electronic aids. That means no ABS, no traction control. Actually, we probably don't need traction control, but no ABS, no slip of clutch. I think this is the second loudest bike I've ever ridden. The first one was a Suzuki GSX S1000. I will be honest, the lack of ABS frightens me. If that makes me a pussy, fine. I'm not used to this bike, otherwise maybe I would have thrashed it a bit more. Benelli ची किल्ली कोणाकडे? अच्छा, oh fuck, okay, sorry. चलो. चलो boys. What the? I hate this gearbox, man. What a stupid gearbox. Would I like to own this bike as it is right now? Absolutely fucking not. Is it fun? Is it a good laugh? Does it grab attention? Does it make you feel special on the street? A billion gazillion %. I must point out that some of the shortcomings of this bike are on this bike and not all TNT 300. But it's a good laugh. The rear suspension of this bike was broken for quite a long period of time. I rode it then as well and made a vlog of that. Even after fixing it, this is still a little bit bouncy. Engine is nice but feels a little bit sluggish than we feel it should. It always feels a little bit underpowered for what it is. You feel like you're going very fast, but that's only because it's so loud. It's not you're not actually covering a lot of distance. But so fun for like occasional rides. Such a nice and fun bike. Really puts a smile on your face. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know what you think about the bike. Let me know if you like the sound. Subscribe if you want more content. Leave me a thumbs up and ride safe.